Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Everyday English Excellence. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more educational content. Let's get started. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks for asking. I'm great, thanks for asking.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Emily. What's yours? My name is Emily. What's yours?
I'm Jack. Nice to meet you. I'm Jack. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from London. How about you? I'm from London. How about you?
I'm from New York. I'm from New York.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 25. How about you? I'm 25. How about you?
I'm 28. I'm 28.
What do you do? What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you? I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a student. I'm a student.
Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have two sisters. Yes, I have two sisters.
No, I'm an only child. No, I'm an only child.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What's yours? My favorite color is blue. What's yours?
I like green. I like green.
What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read. What about you? I like to read. What about you?
I enjoy playing soccer. I enjoy playing soccer.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. What's yours? My favorite food is pizza. What's yours?
I love sushi. I love sushi.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat.
No, I don't have any pets. No, I don't have any pets.
What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today?
It's sunny. How about where you are? It's sunny. How about where you are?
It's raining here. It's raining here.
What did you do last weekend? What did you do last weekend?
I went hiking. What about you? I went hiking. What about you?
I watched movies at home. I watched movies at home.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption. What about you? My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption. What about you?
I love The Godfather. I love The Godfather.
Do you speak any other languages? Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish. Yes, I speak Spanish.
I speak French too. I speak French too.
What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is history. What's yours? My favorite subject is history. What's yours?
I like math. I like math.
What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog. What about you? My favorite animal is a dog. What about you?
I love cats. I love cats.
Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling. Do you? Yes, I love traveling. Do you?
I enjoy traveling too. I enjoy traveling too.
What's your dream vacation destination? What's your dream vacation destination?
My dream vacation destination is Japan. What's yours? My dream vacation destination is Japan. What's yours?
I would love to visit Italy. I would love to visit Italy.
What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter. What about you? My favorite season is winter. What about you?
I prefer summer. I prefer summer.
What's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas. What about you? My favorite holiday is Christmas. What about you?
I love Halloween. I love Halloween.
Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball. What about you? Yes, I play basketball. What about you?
I play tennis. I play tennis.
What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer. What about you? My favorite sport is soccer. What about you?
I love swimming. I love swimming.
Do you have any hobbies? Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting. What about you? Yes, I enjoy painting. What about you?
I like playing the guitar. I like playing the guitar.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekends? What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
My favorite thing to do on weekends is going to the beach. What about you? My favorite thing to do on weekends is going to the beach. What about you?
I enjoy going to the movies. I enjoy going to the movies.
What's your favorite type of music? What's your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is pop. What about you? My favorite type of music is pop. What about you?
I love rock music. I love rock music.
Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. Do you? Yes, I enjoy cooking. Do you?
I like baking cakes. I like baking cakes.
What's your favorite thing to cook? What's your favorite thing to cook?
My favorite thing to cook is pasta. What about you? My favorite thing to cook is pasta. What about you?
I enjoy making pizza. I enjoy making pizza.
Do you like to go to concerts? Do you like to go to concerts?
Yes, I love going to concerts. Do you? Yes, I love going to concerts. Do you?
I enjoy going to music festivals. I enjoy going to music festivals.
What's your favorite thing to do in the morning? What's your favorite thing to do in the morning?
My favorite thing to do in the morning is going for a run. What about you? My favorite thing to do in the morning is going for a run. What about you?
I like having a cup of coffee. I like having a cup of coffee.
What's your favorite type of food? What's your favorite type of food?
My favorite type of food is Mexican. What about you? My favorite type of food is Mexican. What about you?
I love Indian food. I love Indian food.
Do you like to go shopping? Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping. Do you? Yes, I enjoy shopping. Do you?
I like shopping for clothes. I like shopping for clothes.
What's your favorite thing to buy? What's your favorite thing to buy?
My favorite thing to buy is books. What about you? My favorite thing to buy is books. What about you?
I love buying shoes. I love buying shoes.
Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going camping. What about you? Yes, I'm going camping. What about you?
I'm going to a concert. I'm going to a concert.
What's your favorite dessert? What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream. What about you? My favorite dessert is ice cream. What about you?
I love chocolate cake. I love chocolate cake.
Do you like to go hiking? Do you like to go hiking?
Yes, I enjoy hiking. Do you? Yes, I enjoy hiking. Do you?
I like going for walks in the park. I like going for walks in the park.
Do you like to go to the beach? Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I love going to the beach. Do you? Yes, I love going to the beach. Do you?
I enjoy going swimming at the beach. I enjoy going swimming at the beach.
Do you like to go to museums? Do you like to go to museums?
Yes, I enjoy visiting museums. Do you? Yes, I enjoy visiting museums. Do you?
I like going to art galleries. I like going to art galleries.
Do you like to go to the zoo? Do you like to go to the zoo?
Yes, I love going to the zoo. Do you? Yes, I love going to the zoo. Do you?
I enjoy seeing all the animals at the zoo. I enjoy seeing all the animals at the zoo.
Do you like to ride bikes? Do you like to ride bikes?
Yes, I enjoy riding bikes. Do you? Yes, I enjoy riding bikes. Do you?
I like going for bike rides in the countryside. I like going for bike rides in the countryside.
Do you like to go to amusement parks? Do you like to go to amusement parks?
Yes, I love going to amusement parks. Do you? Yes, I love going to amusement parks. Do you?
I enjoy going on roller coasters at amusement parks. I enjoy going on roller coasters at amusement parks.
Do you like to go camping? Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping. Do you? Yes, I enjoy camping. Do you?
I like going camping with my friends. I like going camping with my friends.
Do you like to go fishing? Do you like to go fishing?
Yes, I like fishing. Do you? Yes, I like fishing. Do you?
I enjoy fishing at the lake. I enjoy fishing at the lake.
And that's it for today's video. I hope these simple conversations help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Bye!